Hello students, good afternoon. It's me Mamta Rana and today I am going to teach for class 5 construction of angle. By using protractor, okay? Hope all you are ready. Okay, let's see. This is protractor, yes? All we are known about it, okay? In our junior classes also we did to construct the angle by using protractor, and in your course here is also given. So today we are going to read, okay, to construct the angles by using this protractor, okay? Be ready with your protractor and scale, okay? So, and look at here, this is protractor, and this point in your protractor also you can look there. Here there is mark 0, yes, and here is given the line, yes, from 0, yes, and this is called baseline, okay? With the help of this baseline we are constructing the angles, okay? And in this protractor there is two scale, inner scale and outer scale, okay? So from this here, this is anti-clockwise, yes, inner scale, there is given the degrees in the anti-clockwise 0, 0 degree, 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 60, 70 and up to 180 degree. Yes, this is inner scale. In inner side, yes, there is given the degrees, okay, there is marked the degrees, and this is rotated in the anti-clockwise, yes, and outer scale, here is outer scale too, and this outer scale it is rotated clockwise like this, in clockwise direction. So here is also written 0 degree, from 0 degree to 180 degree, okay? And today we are going to read to draw, to construct the angles, yes, by using this inner scale and outer scale both, okay? So all you are ready? Yes, okay, then be ready with your protractor, scale and your pencil, eraser, okay? Now I am going to construct 60 degree angle, yes, 60 degree angle by using this protractor. We are going to construct the angles by using inner scale, okay? So first of all, with the help of scale, okay, draw one line segment, yes, I have drawn here one line segment and give name A, B, okay? First, with the help of scale, draw one line segment A, B, okay, and give the name as you wish, okay, A, B, X, Y, P, Q, as you can. And now take the protractor, okay, and yes, in this point, if you are going to use the inner scale, yes, inner scale, then this side, left side, use left side point, okay, don't use right side point, use left side point and place your protractor, okay, this mark and this mark, yes, A point and this mark of the protractor, yes, like this, place it, and the baseline, yes, the line that goes through this 0 and this 0 to 180 degree and this, place it, okay? like this. Okay, this line, this base line, and this line segment, just you have drawn this line segment, that should be in the same line, like this. Okay, if you put your protector like this or like this, then you can't get the exactly 60 degree. Okay, so like this base line of the protector and this line segment, that should be same in the line. Okay, and now we are using here inner scale. Yes, inner scale of protector. So you count, you see where is the 60 degree in the inner scale. Here is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, yes, and give here one point to indicate the 60 degree. Okay, and now remove your protector, and with the help of scale, yes, join this A point and this indicator point, yes, like this, and give your name. Yes, you got, this is 60 degree. Yes, angle BAC is 60 degree. Angle BAC or angle CAB, that is 60 degree. Yes, we made this 60 degree by using our inner scale of this protector. Okay, again we draw here 60 degree by using the outer scale of the protector. Okay, process is same, only you have to look the outer scale of the protector. Okay, then first of all, draw the line segment. I have given here name BC. Okay, and now take your protector, and we are going to use the outer scale of the protector. So we will draw here in the right side of the line segment. Okay, right point, this is left point and this is right point. Okay, right point of this line segment, place your protector and balance this baseline and your line segment. Okay, and now we are using outer scale. Yes, so in outside, where is 60 degree? Here it is 60 degree. Give your point and give the name A. Okay, and now remove your protector and join this point with the help of your scale. This point and A point and C point. Okay, like this. And this is also 60 degree. Angle ACB. Angle ACB also 60 degree. Okay, dear student, hope you understand, yes, how to use inner scale and the outer scale of the protector. And your homework is page number 14. Question number 1. Okay. Okay. In today's class, we completed, yes, we learned to construct the angle by using protector and by using inner and outer protector. Okay. In next class, we will read to construct the angle by using compass. Okay. So if you don't have compass, then you purchase it. Okay, you buy it from your stationery and be ready for our next class. Okay, we completed our session. Thank you.